अभी मैं अपने एक दोस्त से बात कर रहा था एंड ही इज वर्किंग इन ए टेक कंपनी एज ए स्क्रिप्ट राइटर एंड हिज founder is restricting him from creating his tech content. Like he want to create his tech content on his page, but the company that he is working with is not allowing him to create tech content or finance content. And this is a really bad thing because you are restricting your employee, and this will only create frustration, and you are like restricting him to grow on his own. And this is not a good thing because we all want to create a win-win situation for everyone, and you are like restricting his goals. You are traveling every single month and you want him in the office every single day, and you are also restricting him to create his dream life. This will only cause frustration in your team and your company culture. Like he is asking him to create content in other niches. Bro, he has worked in that same niche for like last 4 and 5 years. He has depth knowledge of that niche, and you are asking him to change his niche for creating content. Seriously? Bro, you can control someone if you are giving like 5x of their salary, but you are giving him the base salary, and you cannot control someone at the base salary. If you are giving him 5x of his salary and you are telling him like, I have got you covered, don't worry about your future, your goals, I will give you 5x of your salary, don't create tech content, just focus on growing this company and I will give you everything, then he can do that whatever you ask him to do. But you are giving him the base salary which he can get anywhere in this world, and not that base salary, he will get 2x 4x of his salary at any company in this world. And how you think that you are doing a great job or like a good thing restricting him to create content? Like he is not using your resources, he is not using your studio, he is creating content in their home after 9 to 5 in their home, but you are still restricting him to create a content. And I know this is common in India, like at lot of companies. Too many company and too many young founder restrict their employee to create content in the same niche. This is really bad thing. This is like a too narrow-minded thinking. Like you are thinking like he will grow bigger than you and he will leave you. Bro, he will leave you next month. जैसे ही उसे एक अच्छा ऑफर मिलता है, he will leave you. So if you are not have good company culture, if you are restricting him, you are not giving him holiday, he will leave you. The next day he will get a good offer. You can only retain the people with your goodwill or like good behavior. So you need to create like a good culture and good behavior in your team, so you can grow big with the same team members that you had 5 years ago. And if you are like cutting salary and asking him to work on weekends on the name of like extra work, extra hours, I will pay you more money, एंड तुम उसके हर संडे को यूज कर ले रहे हो अपने एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स के नाम पे, ब्रो ही ऑल्सो हैज हिज लाइफ. तुम तो वैकेशन पे निकल जाते हो फॉरेन हर महीने, लेकिन वो तो इसी ऑफिस में रहता है, तो उसे कम से कम संडे तो दे दो. यू हैड सम एक्स्ट्रा फ्रीलांसर टू डू योर जॉब, टू कंप्लीट द एक्स्ट्रा आवर वर्क. You cannot depend on your employee for every single thing. You have to hire more freelancers as backup. कि जब आपका एक एम्प्लॉई छुट्टी पे जाना चाहे तो आप उसे छुट्टी दे सको, and you can get the work done by other freelancers. You don't have to pay salary to every single team member. You can hire freelancer, and there are a lot of freelancers out there जिसका स्किल सेट आपके रिक्वायरमेंट से बिल्कुल मैच करेगा. You just have to find that. Yes, you have to give them more money than your regular salary based employee, but if you want to create a good culture and a like long term team with the same people, you have to spend that money on freelancers and get the things done. This is the lesson I have learned after years of running my agency, that if any of my employee want holiday, I don't force him to like work, bro करके जा ये वो. I say okay, I will figure it out. And बहुत लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हाँ भाई ये स्किल सेट सेम स्किल सेट पे मैच कर पाना नहीं मिल पाएगा, ये बेस्ट है, हमारा बेस्ट टीम मेंबर है, इस लेवल का एडिटर या स्क्रिप्ट राइटर नहीं मिल पाएगा मुझे. Bro, everyone has its replacement. You just have to pay the price. So finding the other employee is your problem, not that employee problem, because it is not for his goals, his dreams. Like if you get a brand sponsorship of 5 lakhs, you won't pay your employee like extra salary. This is your company and you take all the profit. So why your employee will suffer every time? You are not giving him like benefits or anything. So you cannot restrict him to take holidays. You cannot force him to work on weekends, and you cannot cut your salary, bro. Don't cut salary if you want to have like a good culture. अगर मेरा कोई employee 4 दिन 5 काम ना करे, 5 दिन काम ना करे, मैं उसे full salary देता हूँ फिर भी. I don't deduct like हाँ इस दिन तूने 5 घंटे कम काम किया, इस दिन तूने 4 घंटे कम काम किया, ये सप्ताह तो पूरा गायब ही था. I gave him full salary because I want to work with him for longer time. And ये 2,000-3,000 बचा के मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Creating a good culture in your team is really really important. And other thing मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि मैं अभी एक और दोस्त से बात कर रहा था, वो बेंगलोर में जॉब कर रहा है and he is working for like more than 1 year. And वो जॉब छोड़ने से बहुत ही डर रहा है. He's like कि इतना सैलरी उसे कोई नहीं देगा. And I was also talking in the morning with one of my friend. Like he started watching me, and I have helped him a lot, like starting his career. So now he is working in a company in Bangalore. It is a like podcast company, and he is working as a editor. And I can say that he has a lot of fear of failure and so much doubt in himself. Like if he leave this company, he won't get any job. Bro, you have to take control of your life and you have to believe in yourself. There are so much people in this world need people like you. If you have worked with any company or any of your client for 1 year, you have enough experience to serve other clients or other company who will pay you better than your last company. You just have to ask. If you don't ask, you won't get like better job, better salary. सब कुछ यहाँ पे मांगने से मिलता है. So you have to ask for better. You have to keep searching for opportunity where you can get better salary, better growth. Don't get too attached to one company or one boss, because he has other dreams, bro. He don't care about you or your vision, your dreams, your goals, anything. He will just give you a base salary and he don't care about your goals. So you have to figure out what you want out of your life. I just want to tell people like you that have confidence in your skills. You have worked in a same company and you have served so many clients for years. So you can serve other clients and he will pay you 2x, 4x of what the salary your current company is giving you. Have confidence in your skills and take control of your life. You have better skills and there are so many people searching for talents like you. So be fearless. You can find next job easily. And I want to tell you one thing. Losing one client or losing your job is the best thing that can happen to you. Because when you lose your client or when you resign from one job, you have so much time, bro. You were working for 9 to 5 every single day and weekend पे भी तुम्हारा दिन ऐसे ही चला जाता था रेस्ट करने में. So when you are free from like your daily work, you have so much time to explore and think and figure out what you want out of your life. What is your next goal? That 1 month break or 2 month break can give you 10x jump. Just that break. Because you need that mind space, and that job life was not giving you that mind space to think what you want out of the life. Resign from a job, take 1 month, take 2 months, spend time with yourself, figure out everything what you want and which type of culture you want. क्योंकि अगर तुम करने जाओगे तो भाई एक्सप्लोइट करने वाले भरे पड़े हैं. तुम जाओगे बच्चे बन के लाइक कि हाँ भाई मुझे जॉब दे दो, तो वो तुम्हें एक्सप्लोइट करेंगे. यू जस्ट हैव टू लाइक फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि मैं इतना करूँगा, मुझे इतने चाहिए. दे रहे हो तो दो, नहीं तो आई विल सर्च फॉर अनदर जॉब और अनदर कंपनी. यू हैव टू हैव दैट सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू एंड योर स्किल्स. किसी भी कंपनी के लिए 2 साल तक काम कर रहे थे. So you have that skills that you can serve like millions of clients. One client will pay you better एंड दैट विल बी फिर योर लाइक बेस कि हाँ इससे नीचे मैं काम नहीं करूँगा. सो कीप इंक्रीजिंग योर बेस लेवल कि हाँ इससे नीचे तो मैं काम नहीं करूँगा. एंड तुम्हें जो चाहिए तुम बोलो कि हाँ मैं कंटेंट बनाऊँगा, मैं यहाँ पे जॉब करूँगा, फिर भी मैं कंटेंट बनाऊँगा, टेक नीच में बनाऊँगा. अगर तुम्हें नहीं पसंद देन आई कैन लीव. मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए जब मुझे चाहिए, मैं बता दूंगा तुम्हें 5 दिन पहले, बट मुझे अगर 7 दिन का छुट्टी चाहिए तो चाहिए. इट इज़ योर जॉब टू फिगर आउट हाउ यू विल मैनेज hire your freelancers. It is your job and I just want to create this culture around this world like कि हाँ भाई एम्प्लॉई तो ये नहीं कि तुमने उसे बांध के रखा है पूरे महीने भर and he cannot take holiday, उसे जॉब करना ही है. like there are so many freelancers who is traveling and भाई रील्स में वही दिखता है मुझे कि ये जॉब कर रहा है भाई, बाली से जॉब कर रहा है, ये मनाली से जॉब कर रहा है. so I also want to live that life and मैं तुम्हारे पास साल भर हूँ ना, मैं डेली ऑफिस आ रहा हूँ, डेली जॉब कर रहा हूँ. तो जब मुझे बीच में एक सप्ताह का ब्रेक चाहिए एंड आई ऑल्सो वांट टू डू रिमोट वर्क, तो तुम्हारा क्या नुकसान हो रहा है? कुछ नुकसान हो रहा है तुम्हारा. मैं तुम्हें काम करके दे रहा हूँ वहाँ से भी और यहाँ से भी. एंड अगर तुम्हें उससे भी प्रॉब्लम है कि हाँ मैं इन ऑफिस आके ही काम कर सकता हूँ, तो भाई मुझे 7 दिन का छुट्टी चाहिए और लाइक हर 3 मंथ के बाद मुझे ये ट्रिप पे जाना होता है, मुझे चाहिए. तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कंपनी का है कि वो कैसे फिगर आउट करेगा एंड वो किसे हायर करेगा एंड कैसे काम करेगा, ये आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. इट इज़ टोटली ए कंपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड फाउंडर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू find a replacement when your main employee is absent. I just want to create that culture. Like if you are salary basis, you can also take leave for like 7 days and 10 days and go offline and figure out your next big goal or figure out what you want out of your life. So there were so many lessons in this video, but बहुत ही random हो गया होगा. But at the last I just want to sum up that for founder you have to create better culture in your team. You have to give the freedom to your employee, वरना कंपनी कल्चर अच्छा नहीं होगा और you cannot create a like long term team कि हाँ 5 साल बाद भी सेम फेसेस है. मैंने कंपनी को महीनों में बदलते देखा है. मैं जिस कंपनी में काम कर रहा था वहाँ पे आज कोई और है, अगले साल सारे के सारे लोग चेंजेस. एंड अगर तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है कि 1 साल में तुम्हारे सारे एम्प्लॉई बदल जा रहे हैं, देन ब्रो यू हैव सम प्रॉब्लम एंड यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट एंड यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर कंपनी कल्चर. क्योंकि सारे लोग नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. यू कैन नॉट से ही वाज आस्किंग फॉर टू मच. दिस इज योर प्रॉब्लम एंड दिस इज योर कंपनी प्रॉब्लम. यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट एंड फिक्स इट इफ यू वांट टू गो बिग एंड create something big. And for freelancers and for employee, I just want to tell you that be fearless and have your demand. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए एंड जो उसे फुलफिल करे बस उसके पास जाओ. एंड 1 महीने जॉब ना करके 2 महीने जॉब करके तुम्हारा ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है. आई कैन से यू. अभी अगर तुम लाइक 23 ईयर के हो, 25 ईयर्स के भी हो, तो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स कैन हैंडल यू फॉर 1 and 2 months. So you can go back to your home, take some time, think what you want out of your life, how you can increase your skills, work on your skills. Forget about the world, just work on your skills, improve your skills for 1 month straight, then start applying for job and you will get 2x salary. I can guarantee you that. If you take 1 month break, it will 2x your salary. You just need right strategy and right mindset and right path or clarity and सब इसका गेम है. You just need to know what you want out of your life. You need more mind space to think and more mind space to figure out. And जॉब में रह के ये तुम नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि तुम जॉब से थके हुए शाम में आ रहे हो एंड तुम्हें पता है कि हाँ कल सुबह फिर से ऑफिस जाना है. तो ब्रो तुम सोच ही नहीं सकते हो. तुम सोचोगे रील देख लेता हूँ, सुबह हो जाएगा, फिर सुबह ऑफिस चला जाऊंगा. एंड हर दिन यही होगा. चाहे तुम्हें 5 दिन का भी छुट्टी मिलेगा, तुम्हें पता होगा कि हाँ फिर 5वां दिन तो सेम ही ऑफिस जाना है. सो जब तक तुम्हारे सारे क्लाइंट्स नहीं चले जाते, जब तक तुम्हारे जॉब छूट नहीं जाता, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कैन हैपन टू यू. क्योंकि जब मेरे क्लाइंट्स चले जाते हैं या लाइक जब मैंने जॉब छोड़ा था, इट वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कैन हैपन टू मी एंड आई हैव सो मच माइंड स्पेस टू थिंक कि अब मुझे क्या करना है. एंड दैट गिव मी ए लाइक 10x jump or 2x jump in my life. So I just want to tell you that losing your job or losing your clients is the best thing that can happen to you. So this is for the video. Bye.